All right, I'm not even going front. I haven't cooked in like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. So I can't keep playing my shorty like that. So I gotta cook something. And I decided to make something that is fast and simple to make. Every time I make this, I always post it after the fact. So I'm going to show you guys how to make my Bok Choy Ramen. And literally, it's white onion. You're gonna chop your white onion. You're gonna chop up some garlic cloves. And the base, you're gonna use your vegetable bouillon cubes, okay? I use all 6 of them with my pot. And then the main attraction is your... So because I am plant-based, I purchased this chopper to like save me in my prepping, because I used to spend so much time just chopping all of these veggies. And now we're gonna just chop them up. Chop up your onions. Look how fast this is. I got this from probably Bed Bath & Beyond, but I know you can find a cheaper chopper. And you're just going to chop up your onions, your garlic. I used to use mushrooms in this recipe, shiitake or whatever, mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. I used to use those, but I removed mushrooms from my diet recently. So you're just going to chop them up. And then you're going to just throw, oh, I missed the onion, a garlic. You're going to just throw everything in your water to cook together, okay? So we just going to prep it. So you're just going to open your bouillon cubes. Like I said, I use all 6 of them in the package, but depending on how big of a pot you're using will determine how many you're going to want to use. So I'm going to use all 6, and I'm just going to pop them in the water. So I'm going to take my bok choy, and I'm just going to cut my ends off of it. These are like baby bok choys or petite bok choys. Bok choy comes in different sizes. There are bigger forms of bok choy, and I'm actually gonna cut it twice. Usually I'll leave all of this together, but I'm gonna cut it down. You can cut your veggies however you wish, but I'm gonna keep... Anyways, so, right, after you make your soup, right, I always take a separate pot and I take it and I put it in another pot so that we can cook our noodles with the amount of soup that we want to consume. I never cook my noodles in the soup, because if you don't eat it all, now your noodles is all ruining your soup. So you're going to take your soup and you're going... What noodles? These noodles. So we're literally only utilizing the noodles. So you're gonna put your noodles in. Sage, let it go. You're gonna put your noodles in, and I'm gonna add more of the broth. And you're just gonna literally let your noodles cook in here, and then it's ready to be served. So there you have it. Ramen, or what Sage calls, she calls this miso soup, but this is my miso bok choy, however you want to call it, whatever. This is how I make it.